Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create a server on Discord. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is move your mouse to the left side of the screen and click on the icon labeled Add a Server. If you can't find this, just scroll down to the very bottom and then click on it here. Next, select the Create My Own option at the top. This will give you the choice of creating a server for either a small group of your friends or for a larger group of people. These larger groups can be used for content creators and their community. If you haven't decided yet, then you can also skip this part for the time being. The next thing to do is to give your server a name. Today I'm going to call the server Nepbot Community. At this stage you can also add an icon image, but if you're not ready yet, you can always add this later on. The last thing you need to do is click on Create, and then you basically have your own server.